Market Review. Trade Juice Review. To earn money online is achievable, but it's a totally traumatic and challenging method. There aren't any loose dollars everywhere to be found, human beings should work for them. The earned price range comes from all one-of-a-kind assets. The forex market's buying and selling is one such source. Trade Juice Review. Trade Juice is a forex trading school machine with signal alert capabilities that assist traders in making their way in this aggressive business world. The creator of the forex market buying and selling gadget has over 10 years of experience in this industry and knows a whole lot about trends. He additionally owns a hedge fund well worth a predicted 150 million greenbacks. Nicola became approached and recruited for jobs with the aid of huge businesses like banks or organizations trying to hire someone who knew all about market forecasts but decided instead on market research where he could skip knowledge alongside too. Nicola is a real success story. A dealer herself, she has knowledge of more than 5,000 human beings in the alternate universe, and now they may be all thriving as well. Trade Juice is the most worthwhile forex schooling route that Delic has ever supplied. With a big library of instructions, films, and audio materials, such as live trading sessions with professional investors who, in my opinion, manual people via each step, there's no better way to find out how they alternate. Thank you for watching. For more information, click the link below.